Hey everyone, this is Misal from Talos Drones. Here we have T60X and T60X Spreading System. In this video, we're going to show you the unboxing of the T60X Spreading System, how to install it, the auger systems, how to switch them up, and let's get to it. So here's what we're introduced when we open up the spreading system. We have an extra fender for the spreader, an extra disc, and the two medium and small auger systems. We also have a cleaning brush and we got some hose plugs. It's when you replace the spraying system with the spreading system. So let's take these guys out. So here we have the T60X spreading system out of the box. It has 132 pound payload capacity. It has a large inlet opening so we can put in your products. You can see the auger system at the bottom and an agitator right there that spins to make sure that nothing gets stuck in between. Now we also have the auger system in here. By default, it has the large auger system already in the spreader. But if you want to remove it, if you have a smaller seed that you want to spread, all you really have to do is press this clip and push this up and it releases. You do the same thing to this side, it releases, and all you do is really pull the system down. This is the motor that spins the auger, and all you do is grab the auger and pull it out like so. Now this is the large auger system. On the top cover in the box, we have our medium-sized augers, so you can see the difference. And you have the small one as well, like so. So let's say you want to use the small auger system, and you place the auger down, let it sit, and then you place the motor in, let it sit, and all you do is put the clip back, let it snap in place, and that is it. So to start off, we need to remove the two hoses on the T60X along with the signal kit. To do that, we come over here and there's a rubber cover that basically protective that protects the connection. We just pull this out, and there's a clip here. You just press down and wiggle it. That connection comes out. Now this T60X has the 4 nozzle system, so it has this T connection here. All you really have to do is, if you have the 2 nozzles, you'll disconnect the 90-degree connector here. But in this case, all we have to do is disconnect the flow meter hose, which is on the inside. So all we do is turn it counterclockwise, and then we pull it out, and then we do the same thing on the other side. With all of those 3 disconnected, now all you do is lift the tank up, turn it, and then it comes right off. So you place it in. And make sure it sits down on the weight sensors. Grab the signal cable and then reconnect it to the drone. And then we can place this rubber cover to make sure there's no chemicals or liquid get into the connections. You just click it on place. Once you connect the spreading system, the drone is automatically going to detect it. So you don't have to change any setting on the drone. All you have to do is connect it, turn the drone on, go to your remote controller, and you'll see that instead of the spraying system, you'll have a spreading system, and you'll have different options to configure your spreading system. So on the T60X remote controller, on the home page, you go to begin. On the top right, on the settings icon, we'll just select settings. And you'll see that with the spreader connected, this icon now says spreader. If you had the spraying tank, it would have said spraying. If I select it, now we have different options for the spreading system instead of the spraying system. We have our payload, we have the screw feeder speed, the spinner disc speed, and the payload detection motor signals. Now keep in mind that when you're using the spreader, when you're spreading different materials, you'll first have to do a material weight calibration, and you'll do that under materials management. If you want to spread a new material, you'll just select add new material. You'll choose the auger system. In our case, we'll do either large. We'll start, and it'll give you directions on what to do, and you'll press start, and it'll begin the calibration process. In this case, since we don't have any material, it failed. But once you do that calibration, every time you use that material, you can just select it. For example, when you could do a rice material calibration. And every time you calibrate it, once you calibrate the material, it'll show up as one of these. And you'll be able to name it whatever you'd like. You'll select it. So when you calibrate your new material, you can go back, you select the field you want to use, you select use. And now here under operation, you'll select the material that you want to spread. Let's say, for example, you want to use long grain rice. And then you can select the application, the spinner disc speed, the flight speed, the height above crops, and so on and so forth, just like you would do with the spraying system. You would select start, and the drone would take off and do its operation as usual. Once again, this is Misal from Talos Drones. This was setting up the Talos T60X Spreading System, and stay tuned for the next video where we're going to test out this spreading system in the field.